This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 3, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we'll be using the fraction model to make equivalent fractions to help us subtract. The first problem is 1/3 minus 1/4. We need to have a common denominator in order to do this subtraction. I'm going to start by showing my 1/3 on the first square, and I'm going to draw the 1/3 vertically. So I break my square into thirds, and I'm going to shade in 1/3. I'll show the 1/4 on the second square, but this square I'm going to break it apart horizontally. So I break it into fourths, and I shade 1/4. The next step is to copy my 1/4 model on top of my 1/3 model. So I'm going to draw those same horizontal lines that we did with our fourths. And now I can see in the whole square I have 12 pieces, and 4 of those pieces are shaded. So 1/3 is the same thing as 4/12. If I copy my thirds on top of my fourths, I'll draw my lines vertically. And again, you can see that we have 12 pieces, and 3 of the pieces are shaded. 1/4 is the same thing as 3/12. Now I can do my subtraction. I have 4/12, I take away 3/12, and I'm left with 1/12. Let's look at another example. The next problem is 2/3 minus 1/2. I'll draw my 2/3, so again I break the square into thirds. This time I'll shade 2 of them since it's 2/3. And I'll show my 1/2 on the other square. I'll shade in 1/2. Now I'll draw my 1/2 on top of my 2/3. You can see we have 6 pieces now, and 4 of them are shaded. So 2/3 is the same thing as 4/6. And I'll draw my thirds on top of my 1/2 piece. Again, we have 6 pieces. This time 3 are shaded. 1/2 is the same as 3/6. If I take 4/6 minus 3/6, I'm left with 1/6.